These are the Velcro tooling holders for the ROG-60. You can see they have a magnetic connector underneath that'll snap into our tooling plate. They are Velcro backed. So all that we're going to do is put 4 of our DiamaPro tooling on the machine at a time on each head. We're going to set them to the outside edge, so they're not over the edge but on that outside edge, and we're just going to space them by eye. Now we're going to put our Velcro tooling plates onto our tooling holders, wearing gloves, of course. You want to run your hands around the tooling plates, make sure that there is not any shot or screws, anything that might keep the plate from attaching to the machine firmly.